Lesson 28, the normal probability distribution. Example 3. IQ scores are normally distributed with a mean of 100 and a standard deviation of 15. What percentage of people in the population have an IQ score above 90? Well, here we're told that IQ scores are normally distributed. Thus, we know that IQ scores follow the normal bell-shaped distribution. And in order to completely describe the normal distribution, we need to know the values of mu sub x and sigma sub x, the mean and standard deviation. Here we're given that the mean IQ score is 100, so mu sub x equals 100. And we're given that the standard deviation is 15, so sigma sub x equals 15. Now we could use these values to find the percentage of people in the population that have an IQ score above 90. But first we need to find the value of the random variable x that corresponds to values above 90. Well, to be above 90, you have to have IQ scores greater than 90. So here we're looking for the percentage where x is greater than 90. That means the lower limit value is 90, and everything above or greater than that, all the way up to the maximum IQ score. Here we argued earlier that the lowest IQ score was 0. And since the normal bell-shaped distribution is symmetric, and the mean is the center or bouncing point of the data, with a mean IQ score of 100 and a minimum of 0, that's a range of 100 IQ points below the mean. By symmetry, we'd expect to have the maximum IQ score 100 IQ points above the mean. So 100 plus 100 would be 200. So the percentage of people in the population that have an IQ score above 90 would be the percentage of this normal distribution that ranges from a lower limit of 90 all the way up to an upper limit of 200, which we argue is the maximum IQ score. So when we're given the particular values of the random variable x, in this case IQ scores from 90 up to 200, and then when we want to find the corresponding percentage, we would need to use the normal CDF command. The normal CDF command on the TI-84 calculator requires the input of 4 values. The first 2 values are the L and U, the lower limit and upper limit, that defines the region for which we're calculating the percentage. So here, IQ scores above 90 range from a lower limit of 90 up to an upper limit of 200, which we consider to be the maximum IQ score. If you don't happen to know what the maximum IQ score is, you could just enter into the calculator the maximum number we could enter into the calculator. That is, if the maximum value is not known, enter in 9E99, which is the calculator version of infinity instead. Now, the last 2 numbers we enter into the normal CDF command are the mean and the standard deviation. So here the mean, mu sub x, was equal to 100, and the standard deviation, sigma sub x, was equal to 15. So now we can enter this normal CDF command into the TI-84 calculator by going to the distribution menu. That's found by pressing second, DISTR, arrow down to the normal CDF command, press enter to select, then enter in the 90, 200, 100, 15. Close parenthesis, enter. So we found our result. Here it rounds off to approximately 0.748. Now multiplying this value by 100% gives the corresponding percentage. So about 74.8% of people in the population have an IQ score above 90.